So let's understand part 2 of question number 9. So that's my question number 9, part second. Now, the first thing, because they are saying that we have to evaluate using the log table. So we have to use the log table. So what is my first step? That we have to take this whole value as equals to y. That's my first step. After the first step, what we have to do? We have to take log both sides, right? So that's my next step. So it will become log y, that is equals to log of 57.8 raised to the power half multiply 0.0027 raised to the power 1 by 3, right? This is my second step. Now, we know that whenever we have something in multiply in the log, so we have to use the law of multiplication. That is, we have to write in the form of addition. That this will be this plus, wait a minute, I'll show you on the another page. Yeah. So log 0.0027 and raised to the power 1 by 3. Now, the next step is that we know that whenever we have the power in the log, that will come as in coefficient. So it will become half as in coefficient and log 57.8 plus 1 by 3 log 0.0027. Now we have to see the log table for this, because why not anti-log? Why only log? Because they are asking the log value. So we have to use the log table only, right? So log 50, the first step is 57.8. So what we will do here, we will see the 57 eighth column. So let's open the log table. So 57, that's my log table. 57 and the eighth column. So this is my eighth column. Please remember, whenever we see the first, after taking the two numbers, the next number. So the column start with 0 to 8. So this is my number, which is half times 70. It's 7619, and there is nothing. So there is 0. So there is no 57th. For the mean difference, we have to see the 0th column. There is no 0 column. So it's directly we will write 76.19. 76.19. Now, please remember one thing, that when we have two numbers before the decimal, two numbers. So two numbers, and we have to subtract one from that. It will give 1. So it's 1 point. So 1.7619. So this is how we find out the value. Then 1 by 3. 1 by 3, then we have to take this value. So now we have to take the significant figures. Value is log 0.0027. So 27, we have to take 27 zeroth column. So 27 zeroth column we have to see. And if you will see the log table, so 27 is here. This is my 27, and zeroth column is 4317. 4314, sorry. So 4314. That's my second value. Now, please understand one thing. Please understand one thing. What is the one thing important? That here are two zeros. Here are two zeros. If you will see, after the decimal, here we have two zeros. And so what we have to do here, we have to add 1. Add 1. So whenever we have zeros, after the decimal, we have to add 1. It becomes 3, and 3 with the bar. So it becomes 3 with the bar. So this is my value for log this one, right? Okay, so that's my value. Now what we will do, we will take, wait a minute, let me open the free page so that we can see. Now after this, what is my next step? I'm just rubbing it everything, because, okay, wait a minute, let me change the color also. Let me use this one. So now we are left with log y. We are left with log y, and equals, we have to divide 1.7619 divided by 2. So it gives me 0 point. So we have to divide this value by 2. So it gives me 0.8811. And what we have to see, we have to this divide by 3. But now we have to change it first. How to change this number? So we have done this. We have done this in our previous video. So understand it. So what we have to do, we have to take we will rewrite it. 3 bar means 3 negative plus 0.4314 and this divided by whole 3. So my value will be, this I will change. I will just take the, okay, wait a minute. I'll reopen it. So I'll write this number as negative 3, 0.4314 and divided by 3. Now 0.0811 plus, so I'm just separating the denominators. So minus 3 by 3 is minus 1 and 0.4314 divided by 3, it gives me 0.1454. Okay. So when I solve this whole value, 0.8811, it gives me 1 bar 1454. If you don't want to do this, you can directly divide this number by 3 and it will give you the same thing only. Okay, 1 bar 0.1454. That's the thing. Now, let's again change it. So it's 0.8811 plus, we can write this 1 bar as minus 1 plus 0.1454 and we'll solve this whole part. This whole part, this gives me 0.0265. Okay, this will, right? So now we have something log y that is equals to 0.0265. Now we have to find the value of y. So log will go to that side. It will give me anti-log 0.0265. Now we'll see the mantissa, that 02 column, 026 column we have to see. So let's move towards the anti-log table. So anti-log table, if you will see here, that 026 column, which is 1062, and then fifth column, fifth mean difference, that is 1. So 1062 and 1. So let me go to this page only. So this is my value. So my 0.0265, 26 fifth column we have to see. So it's, I think, 026 column and the mean difference is 5. So it gives me 1 point, wait a minute, I have to see, I forgot the value. Wait a minute. I'll again see the value. I forgot the value. I think 1062 was the value. Wait a minute. 1062. Yeah. My value will be 1062. 1062 is the value. And if you will see, the 5 also is there. That is, I think 1 is there. So 1063 will be my value. And we have no number. So we have to put the decimal. So there is no number. So we have to add 1 because there is no number before the decimal. So what we will do, we will add 1 and after 1, we will put the decimal. So that is why. So 1.063. So we have to see the numbers, how many numbers we have before the decimal. We will have to add 1 and then we put the decimal. So we have 0 here. So 0 plus 1 is 1 and after 1, we have to put the value. That's 1.063. That's my value. So very carefully we have to do it, step by step we have to see.